So I now need to get from the Griffin tradepost to the first trial, which is not particularly far, except I'm on foot. I was hoping I would find a sandbike here which I could borrow, but there isn't one. So I'm going to have to do this on foot, which is okay. I mean, it's not an immense distance, and it does show me a bit more of the landscape, and I've got, at the moment, quite a high water level, so I shouldn't have any trouble doing this. The only thing is I do have to cross some open ground, and areas that may or may not be a bit blocked by people. Oh, what's that? Nope, somebody's left their sandbike there, but I can't pick it up. So I need to then get across some open areas of sand. Now these are a bit daunting at the beginning because you never know. You start thinking, well, I might get eaten by worms, but actually none of these areas, the Hanger Basin, are that wide that it's a big problem. And the Bindu Sprint I've got there, if I press C as my second Bene Gesserit skill, will actually get me across almost the entire width of any of these gaps. I'm just going to have to run a long way on. Here's an enemy, and I'm going to use Compel. And I've got my Exsanguinator, so I'll just pick up a bit more blood there. It's an opportunity to top up my blood supply. Pick up a heal kit and raid their little base for some more supplies. Okay, I'm not going to pick up too much stuff at the moment because I'll be coming back. So we've got a bit of a gap here I need to cross. I think I will use Bindu Sprint. So yeah, that takes me across almost the entire width. Now we can see there's another baddie there. Oh, two of them. And another one. This is why I make a lot of heal kits. Take that, his darts and his blood. The same with this guy. Loot their little loot container, pick up the fuel cell, and keep going. See, my health is a bit low, so I'll take a health pack, but also you'll see my water level is also gradually reducing. There's another fairly decent sized gap. I'm going to use Bindu Sprint again. It gets me almost all the way across. There's a scavenger base down there, which I'm going to ignore for the moment. And you can see I'm actually in the sun, so I'm heating up as well. Need to be quite careful at this stage in the game not to get too overheated, because it's hard to collect the water. I don't have any water carrying capacity. I've just got my blood sacs. And if you drink blood, it does rehydrate you, but it also lowers your maximum health. So I'm going to get into the shade, and then I'm going to pause and recover my stamina. So it says the trial is very close here. Let's go and have a look. Somebody else's beginner base. These symbols here show you the distance to other camps. That's an enemy camp. That's a cave. And this is the trial. I'm looking for the pink one. It's saying to go this way. And these things are usually in these sort of ancient structures. See, people have put little save beacons outside, which is not necessary. But then if you've only just started the game, you don't know that this is actually not a dangerous location. So where am I going? It says this way. No. So it must be down below. And here we have the first trial site. When you get in there, you walk up to the altar and interact with it as it says, and it will give you your first trial. I'm not going to do that for you because I don't want to spoil the surprise.